Is your Renesas RA4M1 microcontroller working reliably? In today's video, we're showcasing a powerful self-test library for Arduino Uno R4 that checks the core functions of your microcontroller, CPU, RAM, GPIO, and much more. Whether you're building an industrial-grade project or a DIY home automation system, the Renesas RA4M1 microcontroller needs to operate flawlessly. Our Arduino library provides a complete set of diagnostics to test the essential components of the RA4M1, ensuring it's always ready for critical tasks. Let's dive into the specifics. This library tests the CPU, clock, RAM, Watchdog Timer, and more. All of this is available with a simple Arduino sketch you can run directly on your Arduino Uno R4 Minima or Wi-Fi board. To get started, download the self-test library, open the Arduino IDE, and head to the provided example sketch. It's pre-built to run all the diagnostics you need. Once uploaded, the self-test will automatically run, testing everything from the CPU to the voltage sensors. Let's open the serial monitor to see the results in real time. Let's break down what's happening. This library runs through a series of critical tests to ensure your microcontroller is in perfect working condition. CPU test verifies the processor registers and control flow, ensuring no internal errors are present. Clock test checks the clock oscillator to make sure your system is running at the correct speed. GPIO test tests each GPIO pin, confirming that inputs and outputs are functioning correctly. Watchdog Timer Test ensures the Watchdog Timer is monitoring the system to prevent critical failures. RAM March C and X tests runs memory tests to detect any issues with your RAM. Stack test checks the memory stack, ensuring there are no overflows or errors. Temperature test reads and verifies the temperature sensor to detect any potential overheating. Voltage test monitors the system voltage levels to ensure they are within the safe operating range. This self-test library isn't just for development. It's perfect for any project where reliability is critical. From home automation systems to industrial control units, this library ensures that your Arduino board is always running smoothly. And that's it. With just a few lines of code, you can ensure your RA4M1 microcontroller is performing at its best. Make sure to download the library from the link below and hit subscribe for more tutorials like this. Stay tuned for our next video where we explore deeper customization of these tests.